Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a pre-market video for January 25th, 2024. Just first thing to note real quick, SPX right now is indicated to open around 48.70. Do have a couple of news events at 8:30 a.m. so that could change things, but nonetheless, let's get into structure. Looking at SPXP, full complex, all expirations are turned on. Transition zone 48.70. Downside, we have 48.45. This is also negative GEX. To the upside, above 48.70, 4900, which is plus GEX. Last thing to note, COI is at 5,000, above spot price in the money, above spot price call dominated, below spot price is also call dominated. Zooming in, first we'll look at the 0DT structure. You'll see this is a bit of a different picture from what we just looked at, what we've really seen the last couple of weeks. By this, I mean, a lot more, I guess, kind of the significance of the red gamma bars relative to green gamma bars, kind of indicating, risk to reward is to the downside. Transition zone 48.75, 48.80. Top transition zone is also plus GEX. That's what I meant by risk to reward. You're going to see 0.23% to the upside and 0.5% to the downside. So it's almost 2-to-1 risk to reward to the downside. Anyways, below 48.75, which is the bottom of transition, 48.45 is downside target. This is negative GEX. A couple other things to note on structure wise. COI is at 48.25 in a normal healthy market like we saw on this SPXP. COI is normally well above plus GEX. We do not see that here. Additionally, we have in the money put dominated, in the money call dominated, above and below spot price respectively. Looking at 1DT, you can see this picture is not as bearish as what we just looked at on the 0DT. By that I mean a lot more green in the structure, a lot more, net call delta dominated. So again, transition zone is 48.70, 48.20, 48.40 is also important here. Just looking at landscape view, you can see right here, there's kind of a natural transition zone as well. To the downside, below 48.15 is negative GEX. To the upside, 4900 is plus GEX. Then we have 48.90 is plus GEX, 4900 is COI. Looking at the 2 days in totality, not a huge change in levels, although we do see kind of structures proper again, kind of more 1-to-1 risk to reward here, given where spot price is set to open. Looking at next week now, above the spot price is call dominated. 48.75 is plus GEX, 48.70 is top of transition, so 48.70 is a key level for us to watch today as well, in addition to the transition zones. 47.50 downside negative GEX. I don't lean too much into that right now because a lot of money still needs to flow into next week. That's in this week, but I just kind of like to look at overall themes of what are we seeing so far in terms of where speculators are positioned going into next week. Rounding things out here, looking at the market trend model, this is ARCX yesterday. Did have a linear down day in the afternoon. Short-term weakness now kind of indicated, first being the cumulative tick close was below yesterday's close, second being read now if railroad tracks down. That means the short-term moving average ribbon is trending lower. So the bulls, what do we want to see? So the bulls want to see kind of a reversal today, reclaim the highs that were set earlier this week. Bears, you want to see a continued waterfall lower. So that's what we will be watching there. Looking at 0DT again here, structure, key levels 48.45, and then transitions up 48.80, 48.75. So with that, best of luck out there today.